Hello everyone, my name is Mr. M, and today we're going to learn how to multiply signed numbers. This is rule number 4 about the signed numbers. So if you want to check out the other rules, feel free to watch the other videos in my channel. Now let's proceed to the key concept. It says here, to multiply two signed numbers, multiply their absolute values and prefix a positive sign if the numbers have like signs, or a negative sign if the numbers have unlike signs. Let's take a look at this. So I have here 4 words: the never, always, present, and absent. So let's begin with the absent. When you're absent, is that a good idea? Or is that a good thing? No. Whether physically or mentally, that's negative. Of course, when you're present, that's positive, right? And always, let's take it as a positive, because never connotes with a negative thing, right? Now, how do we apply these words? So when we say always, present, always is a positive thing. Present is a positive thing, right? So when you multiply a positive times a positive, that's a positive. How about this? Always, always positive, absent. You know, when you're always absent, is that a good thing? Nope. So it's a negative thing, right? Now, how about this? Never. Never is negative. Present is positive, right? Never present. Huh? That's negative. If you've never been present, that's a negative thing. You will fail. But how about the last one? Never, again, it's negative. Absent. Never absent. Absent is negative. But if you're never absent, is that a good thing? Yes. So therefore, that's positive. Here we go. Now let's take a look at the model problem. Number 1. So positive 2 times positive 3. If you notice, there's no sign in between the parentheses. That means it's multiplication. Or sometimes they use a dot to signify its multiplication. But without the dot, that is still considered multiplication as long as there's no operation in between. Now, positive 2 times positive 3, since they have like signs, it says here in the key concept, the answer, the product must be positive. And positive 2 times 3, that's 6. Positive 6. Now, how do you apply this? I like this very much because it applies to real life situation. So if you have positive, that means it's always. And positive on the next number, always present. Yeah? If you're always present, then it's a positive thing. Got it? Now, how do you use the number line to verify it? So positive 2 is right here. From the 0, positive 2, how many of which? It says 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and it ends up on positive 6. Alright? This is going to be interesting later when we go to the negative. Alright? In fact, we're going to go to that now. So positive 4 times negative 2. Since they have unlike signs, they don't have the same signs, unlike signs, so the product is a negative number. So negative 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is negative 8. Now how do you apply this? So positive means always. The second number is negative, so always absent. If you're always absent, you will fail. That's a negative thing. Got it? Now how do you apply or verify it using the number line? Alright, so positive 4 is right here. Positive 4. Now, how many of positive 4? You need to ignore the negative sign for now, but so it's gonna be 2. So 4 times 2. So you double it and you'll end up with on positive 8, right? But then, since there's a negative here in front of 2, that means you change the direction. Change the direction. Let's annotate that. Change the direction, or meaning take it from the other side of the number line, which is negative 8 right here. Got it? Yeah, it's cool, right? Now, let's go to number 3. It says negative 5 times positive 2. Again, they have unlike signs. So, unlike signs means it's a negative number. Negative what? 5 times 2 is 10. Now, applying this principle, negative is never positive. Here on the second number is present. So if you're never present, that's negative. You will fail. Got it? Now let's go to, how do you verify it using the number line? I'm gonna leave it to you. Figure it out how to find the negative 10. Alright? So with number 4 on the number line, you gotta figure it out yourself. Now again, now let's solve it. Negative 5 times negative 2. They have like signs this time. They have like signs, same sign. So therefore it's positive. Positive what? 5 times 2 is 10. Alright? Now, using that principle, negative is never. Negative on the second number is absent. If you were never absent, then it's a positive thing. Alright, as you well know, practice is the secret of math. So go ahead and solve this set of problems, but be sure to pause your video while you're completing it. So once you're done, continue watching so that you can check your answers. Okay, if you got all these answers correct, then you're good to go. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Be sure to click the links below for additional resources, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Please take care of yourself and others.